Hi everyone, I have found another free AI coder and it is a combination of Deepseek R1 70B with Cerebras. Here you see they have written instant reasoning at 1500 token per second and 57x faster than GPUs, higher model accuracy than GPT-4o and O1 mini and run 100% on Cerebras US data centers. They have given this website link and this is the interface. Here you will ask the prompt and you will get the answer. Now let me show you another interesting thing that in this Deepseek R1 Cerebras you will get the advantage of Cerebras speed and Deepseek reasoning and Llama weights. So these three combination you will get in one website, and for this you will get this response from this website in a second. So let me show you that. So if I generate any app like this simple e-commerce app, copy the prompt, and here if I paste it, a basic website to generate or browse the product and add them to a cart. This is my prompt. Now on the right hand side you will see the drop down. Here here you have to choose this Deepseek R1 Distilled Llama 70B. Now if I choose this, now if I press enter, here you see that within a second it has started generating the code. By the way, if you write this in React.js, then you will get the React.js code. If you write in Next.js, then you will get the Next.js code. Otherwise, if you want to try your backend, then also you can generate the code within a second. Here you see that within a second I have got the full code. Now if I take you to this post, what they have written, that reasoning models are powerful like DeepSeek R1. It is powerful but can take minutes to generate the final answer. But Cerebras makes it easy. Here you see Cerebras interface makes AI instant again. In the coding example below, here they have posted and they have seen that Cerebras inference R170B means this model returns the answer in 1.5 seconds versus 22 seconds using O1 mini. We know that O1 mini is a paid model, but they are telling that you will get the best output from the Cerebras with Deepseek R1, and also you will get the output in a low time like 1.5 seconds. But if you use this O1 mini, which is a paid model, they will take 22 seconds. So this Cerebras is actually amazing. And here you see they have done the full comparison with the other GPU solutions that is available. And if I show you, here you see that DeepSeek on R170B outperforms OpenAI's GPT-4o and O1. And they have also written that DeepSeek's R170B combines the powerful reasoning capability of full R1 model with the size and speed of Llama 70B, and also there is speed of Cerebras, and making it most capable of Llama 70 variant by so far. So yesterday I made a video on this bold.diy with Genus Pro 7 billion model combination. It is a free AI coder. If you have not watched this video till now, please watch this. This Genus Pro 7B is another new model from DeepSeek, and here I have told you that how to integrate it. And now there is another model in the market which is the Cerebras inference. Using this also you can generate your code. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys, and if you want this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also, because it really motivates me to make this type of videos more. And don't forget to watch the other videos also, like this Tulu 3 and this O3 mini, how to use it, and this Mistral small 3. All of this video you can watch. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.